Hello Slopers, it is of course Tim Knight and this is video number 2. We're going to do the next chunk of 18. This is Deere and Company. This one goes back to the 70s. And you can see beginning in around 1984, we began it's not really a channel, but it's kind of a channel. And it's, broadens over the course of time. And it's kind of a fascinating creature. But as you can see, in recent days, we nailed the top by way of this trend line because note, resistance, 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 resistance. I mean, is that amazing? Look at that. It just makes me want to weep how extraordinary this is. As long as I've been doing this, and as many millions of charts as I've looked at, I never lose a sense of wonder about these things. It's just mesmerizing. And having nailed the top to the penny at 400.34, it began barfing all over itself. And so Deere has lost 20% of its value. And this isn't some pissant, what's these days, like Etsy or some Oatly milk or something like that. This is Deere. This is like one of the ancient industrial giants of the world, and it's lost 20% of its value. Added to which, it's probably worth about $80, and we're way the hell up here. So this is the kind of breakdown that is beginning to take place, which I find very exciting. And what I would love to see, Deere, is a push back to like 350 before all holy hell breaks loose. That would be my wish market, fairies. So granted, God knows I deserve it. So that's Deere, just as an exemplar of the kind of stuff we're looking at. Here's Denny's, home of the Grand Slam breakfast and all the fat you can eat. We haven't quite broken this trend line yet, but we're getting close to it. Dine Brands, another superb casual dining experience. We've got a double top here at 100.7, having gone from literally like 13 up to about 100 because Powell. Deluxe Corporation. Again, what do these companies do? Deluxe. Do they make things that are better than other things? I've never heard of these guys. Deluxe. It's hard to lay down a line on this one because it's just kind of a mess. I'll just put it there as just so we have something, but it's not really a pattern. It's just kind of how high it bounced. Darden Restaurants, yet another casual dining facility. I think these guys are like Chili's, the places basically that you go and they microwave food from freezers. Literally, I'm not just being pissy. That's really what happens. They just ship it out and they microwave it for you. So enjoy. But we've got a nice little Head and Shoulders top on this one. Nice breakdown going. Isn't that pretty? Devon Energy. It's a weird pattern, isn't it? Getting these violent swings. This one went from like $4 to 30 something because, strong, healthy economy, totally organic. eHealth. This one has been banging out a tremendous topping pattern ever so slowly, moving at a glacial pace, but I think ultimately it will complete. EQT Corporation, and they formed a committee for the ticker symbol. They landed on EQT, so that's convenient. Again, I don't know what these guys do, but they do move up and down, and that's what we're interested in. So we've got a line limit here of 23.61. Etsy, just like I was talking about. There's our topping pattern on that one. There's a price gap right there. This has been putting people's feet to sleep. So just doing nothing at all. I suppose it'll take like earnings, to use the term loosely, before anything shakes up on that one. Fluor Corporation, I suppose it's pronounced FLR. Top on this one, spanning about 17 years. Flowserve, symmetric triangle pushing back up to the apex on this. Greenbrier, GBX. Yeah, it's kind of a weird one to read. It's kind of an exhaustion area right here. Halliburton, this one, a massive head and shoulders top with a neckline at $25 even. Helmerich and Payne, right triangle pattern, the base at 36.26. Hospitality Properties Trust, having gone from $3 up to about $16. I roll. 15.39, the line on that one. Hexcel, here's the line on this, like so. 64.84. A couple more. KBR. This one went from 12 to 42. And recently, it has made that lovely little inverted top, inverted saucer top, and slipped below this former support level. And finally, Kirby, KEX, showing a broken trend line here. Let's just throw it down and use our spiffy auto trend line function, like so. That is so handy. I use it all the time. And you can see the broken symmetric triangle right there. Bada bang, bada boom. That's it. All right, 2 down, 2 to go.